In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a ticket in Zendesk. Whether you're new to using Zendesk support or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will offer a clear step-by-step guide to efficiently creating a ticket, ensuring your issues are logged accurately and reach the right people for resolution. First things first, let's get logged into Zendesk support. Once you're in, find your way over to the top left corner or the sidebar, where you'll notice a plus sign next to the word Add. This is where you'll want to click to begin the process of adding a new ticket. Now that you've clicked on that, you'll see the ticket form open up in front of you. The very first field you'll be interacting with is labeled Requester. Here, you'll select an existing user, or, if it's someone new, you can add them as a new user. This step essentially informs Zendesk who the ticket is for and who may need updates or resolutions. Next, move on to the Subject field. This is where you'll want to clearly summarize the issue at hand. Think of this as your ticket's headline, a brief but precise statement that captures the core of the issue. Crafting a clear and concise subject will make it easier for the support team or anyone else who glances at the ticket to grasp the primary concern immediately. As you proceed to the comment section, you have a couple of options. You can start by jotting down an internal note, which is visible only to other agents, or you can write a public reply, which the requester will see. Both are valuable depending on the nature of the information you wish to communicate. Internal notes are perfect for sharing insights or additional details that help clarify the issue internally, while public replies help keep communication transparent with the requester. Don't forget to make use of the Tags field. Adding appropriate keywords or phrases here is crucial because it helps in categorizing and tracking tickets more efficiently. Tags can be used later on to filter reports, identify recurring issues, or even prioritize tickets based on frequency or other variables. Feel free to explore and utilize the optional fields, such as assignee, priority, type, and any specific ticket fields relevant to your company or team's workflow. Assign the ticket to the right person or team who can best handle the issue at hand. You can set the priority as well, which helps in managing the urgency and workflow efficiency. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and double-checked your entries, it's time for the final step. Click Submit as New to create the ticket. Alternatively, based on the status you prefer, you can choose options like Open or Pending. And there you have it. You've successfully raised a ticket in Zendesk. By following these steps, you ensure that the issue is accurately logged, efficiently tracked, and well on its way to a resolution. Happy ticketing, and thanks for watching.